Self-practice 4.5 question 2. Write the following in the form of A set B, where A and B are integers and A is the largest value. Right. So this question actually, since now your calculator is fancy, you can just put it in your calculator. It'll give you the answer. See, if I put set 12, it just gives me the answer straight. And it gives me in a way that memang A is the largest lah. So the calculator can give you the answer, but let's look at how to actually do it manually. So set 12 can be written as 4 times 3 or 6 times 2 or set 1 times 12. Okay, so out of these options, right, okay, if we do set 1 times set 12, we are going to get back set 12 again. So obviously this one cannot. Set 6 times set 2, both of these are not perfect squares. We can't find what's set 6, we can't find what's set 2. But set 4 and set 3, set 4 is a perfect square. Set 4 is just 2 lah. So we can choose set 4 times set 3, because set 4 will become 2. So it's 2 set 3. And that's how the calculator finds it lah. Okay. So let's try to do all these manually. Of course, you can just use your calculator, but where's the fun in that, right? Right, 27. 27 is 9 times 3, and 9 we can square root. So set 9 times set 3. Set 9 is 3. So 3 set 3. C, 28. 28 is 7 times 4. So 4 we can square root. So set 4 is just 2. So I can write this as 2 set 7. And D, 32. 32 is 8 times 4 as well. So set 8 set 4. 4 is 2. Set 4 is 2. So it's 2 set 8. But actually, right, this won't be the biggest possible answer, because set 8, we can split it some more. So set 8 can be set 4 times set 2 as well. So it's 2 times set 4 times set 2. This will give us 2 lah. So 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 4 set 2. Okay. So maybe we can look at it like this. Instead of taking 8 and 4, we can take 16 by 2. So set 16 is 4 and set 2 is just set 2. That's why they purposely say A must be the largest value. So this answer will not be accepted lah, because when we can get 4, 2 will not be accepted. 4 bigger than 2. So let's try putting this in the calculator. Your calculator will actually give you the biggest possible answer. Yeah, this one. Calculator is your best friend lah. Right, but unfortunately these questions won't come out in exam, so it's just a practice. Right, next, let me erase all these. 45. 45 is 9 times 5. So we can say set 9 set 5. Set 9 is 3 set 5. F, 48. 48 is 12 times 4. Or what else can we do? 16 times 3 also can. So obviously 16 will be the bigger set instead of 4 lah. So we can choose set 16 set 3. So set 16 will be 4. This will be set 3. If we choose 12 and 4, we will get set 4 times set 12. Set 4 is 2, then so we get 12. We can still continue doing the 12 lah. Okay, so 12 will be set 4 and set 3. So then we get 2 times 2 times set 3, which will give us 4 set 3 again. Okay, but this is just a longer way lah. So we try not to do this. So when you are dividing itself, try to find the bigger perfect square. 54. 54 is what times 1? Okay, let me show you how to do if you don't know. Okay, you try to divide it by perfect squares. So perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and so on. So 54, let's try dividing it by 9. You get 6, right? So 9 times 6. So you can say set 9 times set 6. So 9 is 3, 6. Is this the smallest? Most likely. Because 6 will be set 2 times set 3. Cannot lah. Set 2 and set 3 are not perfect squares. So let's just double check. Yes. 3 set 6. Right. 108. Same thing. So 108, we try dividing it by these numbers. So 108 maybe can divide by 9. It's 12 by 9. Let's try a bigger number. 16. Cannot. 25. Cannot. 36 can. Right. So this is 36 times 3. So set 36, set 3. Set 36 is 6. 6 set 3. Okay, even though can divide by 9, we take the biggest number because they want the biggest possible A. So these will be all our answers lah. That's it.